Here we are all about helping you achieve financial success and freedom. Today, we're going to dive deep into the strategies of two financial legends, Warren Buffett and Robert Kiyosaki. They've achieved remarkable success, and we'll learn from their wisdom on how to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building your financial reserve. So let's get started. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of our time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He has emphasized the importance of long-term investing and has a disciplined approach to wealth creation. On the other hand, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, is a renowned financial educator who emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and building assets. By combining the strategies of these two legends, we can unlock the path to financial freedom. By following the steps below, we are sure to be on our journey to financial freedom. Step 1. Track your expenses and create a budget. To break the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you need to know where your money is going. Take a leaf out of Warren Buffett's book and start tracking your expenses meticulously. Create a budget that prioritizes your essential expenses and savings. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and start saving. Step 2. Increase your income. Robert Kiyosaki stresses the importance of increasing your income by leveraging your skills and knowledge. Look for ways to improve your current job prospects, explore side hustles, or invest in your education to enhance your earning potential. Increasing your income will provide you with the extra resources to build your financial reserve. Step 3. Pay off debts strategically. Both Warren Buffett and Robert Kiyosaki understand the burden of debt and the importance of paying it off. Focus on high-interest debts first and create a debt repayment plan. By becoming debt-free, you'll have more money to allocate towards savings and investments. Step 4. Save and invest wisely. Warren Buffett's mantra of investing in what you know is crucial here. Save a portion of your income and invest it wisely in assets that have the potential to grow over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, make informed decisions and be patient for long-term results. Step 5. Prioritize financial education. Both Buffett and Kiyosaki attribute their success to continuous learning. Read books, follow financial experts, and expand your financial knowledge. The more you understand about money and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching.